smelling like a snack. She's smelling like breakfast and dessert. Dessert for breakfast. Hi, I'm Tiana Major9 and this is Masked and Answered with Marie Claire. I'm currently at home, just about to put on a face mask, drink some tea, some herbal tea, and answer some beauty questions. The mask that I'll be doing tonight is an oatmeal and honey mask that I made myself. Oatmeal is very, very good for inflamed skin and sensitive skin. Also, the honey is good for moisture. This mask is very soothing. I did this the other day and it was very slimy. It was slipping off of my face. It smells so good though. Okay, face mask on. Let's go. Are you more of a skincare, makeup or hair person? I am a hair person. I've been doing my hair since I was 11 years old. I learned how to braid, I learned how to cane row or cornrow. I learned how to twist and I learned how to do extensions. But I am slowly becoming a makeup and skincare girl too. What kind of music do you like to listen to when you're masking / getting ready? I like to listen to trap music, dancehall, Afrobeats, hip hop, anything that can just prepare me mentally for a night out or an event. I need to get the hips moving, you know? I need to get in that zone. What's your favorite beauty habit that helps you unwind? So after a long day, I like to take off my makeup, make sure it's clean, fresh, gone, everything gone. Sometimes I will do a mask. I don't do masks all the time. I probably do a mask like once a week. Sometimes I like to sit, like put my face in my face steamer and just steam my face for like 20 minutes. Can you walk us through your nighttime skincare routine? Yes, I can. I'm so proud of it. When I come home, right before bed, I take off my makeup and I use my Clinique Take the Day Off. Should I be like the influencers? Then I go in with my, do you see the language? Influencer. Then I cleanse with my Cold Elite cleansing milk. And this is lovely. It smells so good. And it's so gentle on my skin. I love Cold Elite so much that I got the serum. And as you can see, there is nothing left. Then I use my Cold Elite Moisturizing Hydration Intense Cream. I've also been using the Glossier Moisturizing Primer. I then add some hydration. This is my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. This is like so essential. I'm very new to eye creams and this is the Clinique Moisture Surge 96-hour Hydro Filler Concentrate Eye Cream. I use a lip scrub. Yeah, this is my Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser lip scrub. After I scrub my lips, I put on a balm. I don't know why I paused, but I put on a balm and this is the Glossier birthdaybalm.com and this is thebalm.com. Last but not least, I have this Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. It's not too thick, so my face doesn't feel as heavy when I'm going to sleep, but it's good. It just, again, locks in all of the moisture. Who is your go-to facialist or esthetician? I don't have an esthetician yet. I didn't even know what an esthetician it was until recently. My friend introduced me to the idea of going to see one. But yeah, if you know any good estheticians, especially in London, please like comment below or let me know, like directly send me a DM. Or if you're one yourself, hit me, man. I need one, man. I feel the most beautiful when I have showered, done all of my household chores, My head wrap is on, as you can see, and my skin is moisturized. That's when I just feel the most pen. P-E-N-G, pen. It means beautiful. Hey guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I washed off all of the oatmeal and honey off my face. Hopefully you can see a difference in my skin. It's not as flaky as it was to begin with, and I look very, very moisturized. I just look. Thank you so much for watching Masked and Answered with myself, Tiana Major9. I now challenge you to do a mask and chill quarantine style. Make sure you subscribe to Marie Claire's YouTube channel and comment below what mask you're actually going to do this quarantine.